Look at that scarlet tanager right in front of me, hunting around in my garden, and he doesn't even care that I'm here. He's so intense on catching bugs that he doesn't even care that I'm here. Actually, it's she because it's got less markings than the male. The male would be bright orange. I believe that's a scarlet tanager. You guys tell me. I've only seen one in my life, and it was a female, or it was a male, and it was very colorful. I think this one's the female and doesn't have much color, but she's catching bugs right now in the garden at the lake. She doesn't care that I'm hanging around at all. What a cute bird. Must be hungry. What kind of bird is this, you guys? I'm thinking scarlet tanager. Female. This is what I love about the lake. You just get to experience nature right up close. Actually, it's this way at my house too. All of Minnesota is this way. It's such abundant nature here. Spring is in full swing. It almost snowed today. It's about 45 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. Where'd she go? There she is. She's so cute. I hope she stays away from the puppies. That's all I care. Say, puppies, who's digging in the yard? Who just got a little muddy? Yeah, no digging. Rika, don't eat dirt. Rika, no. I think what happened is Rolo has dropped his food down there. Oh, a year or two ago. And now she's finding it because she's got a nose like that. Hey, Rika, no, you're a white dog. You can't be getting filthy dirty like that. Your mama's gonna have to give you a bath. Yeah, it's a good puppy. Yes, you are. Okay, they've only been tied up for a little while. If I let them go, they're gonna run away out into the street. So that's why they're on a leash right now. But we're gonna bring them inside and play. We're gonna play with some toys. You wanna play with the monkey? Where's the monkey? Yeah.